I think it's really important to be able to do research as an undergrad because it helps open different possibilities of what you want to do in the future. So like going into nursing, I was like, oh, it's like just bedside stuff. But research has helped me find a different field of like, if you don't want to go into bedside nursing, there's always like a research field. And there's like such a strong need for more people to go into research. I came in the end of my freshman year. There was like a research panel, so like all these researchers would just talk about their research that they were currently doing, and on a piece of paper they had it all the researchers and like what they were doing. So I actually was reading it and found Dr. Duffy's name, and she was researching on something that I was genuinely very curious about, which was chronic neurological diseases. So I was like, I want to do that, and I approached her after it and I asked if I could join her research group, and she said yes. So I've been doing it ever since my end of my freshman year. First, we were doing like chronic neurological diseases, but then after COVID happened, we shifted our study into how COVID-19 affected college students and how they got their information through social media. So I was able to create a survey. And so if everything gets approved by the IRB and everything, our plan was to have flyers with QR codes, and we would also post it on like social media, like the different Facebook groups for the classes, and then they would be able to take it. But they have to be a Northeastern undergrad student. If you just go onto like the Northeastern like website and go through the professors that are on the website, you can definitely see like what part of research that they're on, or if they are in any research. And if they are, just like send them an email. Be like, hey, I read some of your papers. I think it's like super interesting. Is it possible for me to help you in your research? And like you probably are gonna get like some rejections because like, oh, they don't need any help, or they just are not in a research right now, but it's definitely worth just to email.